Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your data from the Data tab. Head over to your Data tab. You can filter however you'd like to filter from whichever column you'd like. And then you can search for whatever information you'd like. And then you can simply go to whatever column you want to edit and simply type in new information. That will save that here as well as on your map. So anything you do in the Data tab is reflected on the map and vice versa. Of course, on the Data tab, you can also add locations, add a new column to your data, as well as delete rows from here, but that's how you edit from the Data tab. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.